Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times, but it's been a few weeks since the last update I did. But nonetheless, I want to get things updated here as this trend continues. And there is a little bit of perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 11 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. If you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls are still in total control. The bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's how those long-term uptrends are built. So it really does go back to what was your strategy going into it. But again, from big picture perspective, bulls are still in total control. So let's map out a couple areas of support. Then we can talk some areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above $5.20, that would definitely be the best case scenario. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, like I said, best case scenario, the price holding above 520 would be a very ideal situation. Next level of support after that is just our moving average here. The 50-period simple moving average, that purple line, and you can see that ever since the price has gotten above it right there, it's gotten a nice steady upward slope to it. Really a very simplistic way to look at the chart is as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So if you want to just, like I said, very simplistic, very black and white, bulls are owning on the chart as long as the price is above that purple line. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? At this point, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today on not one occasion, but two different occasions, right up there at about $5.75, give or take a couple pennies. Like I said, it didn't hit it once, but it actually hit it twice. So there are some sellers right up around $5.75. So that'll be, the key hurdle that needs to be crossed. But at the end of the day, as long as the chart just keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing the past couple of weeks, the trend is going to continue and the chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.